we all know, authentication is all around us. If you want to do a payment from Paytm or even access your phone, you have to enter some PIN or use your fingerprint to do that. According to RBI, 55% year-on-year growth has been monitored of digital payments in our country from the past 5 years. And as these payments emerge, the cases of online frauds also obviously increase. According to RBI, in the financial year ending 2022, frauds worth of 1.5 billion were noted in our country. So, making some innovation to reduce this number is the need of the hour. Disadvantages of the existing ways of security: poor identification accuracy, and there is an inconvenience that we have to enter them. In some situations, we may not be able to enter them profusely. So, we need some high-end sensors for accurate recognition of our identity. So, here comes the fingerprint technology. It authenticates our uniqueness in form of green patterns. Green patterns. Green patterns are unique for everyone. So, you may have seen this in ATMs or employee attendance systems and other machines. So, how does it work? There is an infrared light emitter which emits the infrared light, and this light goes and captures by the sensor. And this sensor converts this image into green pattern and stores it in a mathematical format which is unique for every human present. So, it matches the database from the authentication we have given it and tells us that if we are able to access or not. So, can this be used in smartphone? No, because the infrastructure required for it are LED, infrared diode or sensor, special sensor. So, it cannot be used as of now in mobile phones. So, there is an alternative which is like we can use the normal camera of smartphone and use a visible light which will reflect. The light will reflect the green pattern in our mobile phone, and then it will be converted in smart images which can be verified later. So we have to just wave our 4 fingers in front of the camera, and if any 2 green patterns matches out of 4, then we are authenticated. So some advantages of fingerprint technologies are: it is not dependent on a device. It can be a centralized system, so every gene is stored in a centralized system which can be accessed anywhere irrespective of the device that we have chosen. And no need for physical contact. If we are injured or any other thing has happened, we can still access our details. No special hardware. As Dasai said, there is no need to recognize a face recognition fancy sensor. It is just a simple camera and a smartphone. And personal data is never stored in bean format. The bean format is always converted into mathematical code, which is always unique. And if someone even gets access to that code, he or she cannot access your bean pattern. And interesting use cases which can be seen in near future are self-checkout and retail stores and hypermarket. It can simplify the process of shopping in shopping malls. Every billing counter and can be reduced, and also similarly in hotels, which and this technique, though old enough, it was patented by Hitachi in 2005, needs some testing and improvisation, which so that it can be used in mobile phones in a couple of years. And this system, if you implement it nicely, it can be a complement to our existing payment systems and authentication systems. These are the references that I have used. Thank you and have a nice day.